Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is Scarlet. This is Scarlet's Little Crafty Corner. And today I have got an unbagging for you. Now, first off, I just want to say thank you to all my subscribers, whether you've been with me for years or just today. If you haven't subscribed, go ahead, hit that subscribe button. It's free, doesn't cost anything. But I am going to apologize in advance for the shadows over here and the lighting. It's late in the night that I'm doing this video. So yeah, the lighting is going to be a little crappy, I think. So, I'm going to leave the links to these products also in my, description box, so y'all can go check this out. And I do have a 5% discount code that I will also leave in my description box for y'all to use at checkout. Alright, so this comes to me from Fansells. So we're just going to go ahead and get right in here. Now, I did get an item, and then I got a diamond painting. So we'll just do the diamond painting first. And this is just going to be a little 30 by 30. If I can get it open. I can never find the ends to it. Okay, so this is a partial. And it comes with your regular toolkit, which is your green boat, your square of wax, and a single placer paint pen. And then here's all the special drills, which we'll look at. This is poured glue, so you don't have to be afraid to, you know, bend it or anything. It's not going to hurt it. All right, I'm going to bring y'all down some. But this is what I got. This is called, on their website, on Fansells, it is called Color Houses. And like I said, it's a 30 by 30, and this is a special shape. And I just really like this. The colors, I just thought it was different. And, you know, I like to try to get a little bit out of my lane. And, well, I guess I should say I like to get things that are a little out of my lane every once in a while to have in my stash, because, you know, I don't always, I seem to always get the same stuff, I guess is what I'm trying to say. So this is different, and I do like it, and I love these colors. But you can see the city houses in here, and then this tree. Then you've got the moon up here. So I thought it was very, very pretty. There are 9 colors. And everything looks very clear. Very sticky. Alright, so like I said, this is called Color Houses 30 by 30. And this was $4.37. And I'll leave the link in my description box for y'all to check out. So let's look at these. These are really bright. The colors on them are really bright and pretty. Alright. So you've got black, which is just a regular black. And then everything else, I do believe, is going to be crystals. And then here comes your special shapes. Now that is bold pink. And then some gold half balls there. So those are your colors. And like I said, there's only 9. So this wouldn't take long at all to do. So there's that. So in this, I have got storage. But you can never have too much storage. Especially if you like hitting your canvases up prior. So this is what I got, and it's a small one. And let's see, how does... Okay, it just pops off. Okay, so there's different sizes of these. Matter of fact, this is a 39, but they do have a 9-piece, a 15, a 21, 24, 26, and then this one, like I said, is 39. And it has the lid, and y'all just seen me, you know, take that off. So there's 39 of these, and they just open from the end. They're all the same. Now, I think, I'm not 100% sure, but I think the other storage ones, they might be different size little containers. But, you know, we all know what these look like and what, you know, what they are. But I like them. I like the ones I have, and I knew that these were going to be similar. And I like that it has this little container with it, and they didn't, you know, I like the fact that it comes in a little storage container for itself, and they didn't just dump them in a bag and send them in a bag, you know what I'm saying? And then you can put your, like, this would be good size for your little bitty canvases, your specials, anything like that. And then you can just shut it back up, and the lid's not going to come off. They're not going to come out. You can see through the lid so that you can see what colors you have. You know, you might want to even use this for storage, like your leftover ABs out of your kits. Or, you know, just leave these in there when you get done with the project, and you might want to use this for special shapes or crystals. Who knows? But I like this. I think it's nice. Well worth the $15. And like I said, there are 39 of these in there. So, like I said, I'll leave a link to this and the canvas in my description box for y'all to check out. And along with the diamond painting, Fansells also carries, I don't know if a lot of y'all look, but if you know somebody, or if you do have another craft that you do, Fansells also carries cross stitch. They carry paint by numbers. They carry wax, the wax melts and you seal, and you know, all that stuff. I don't really do wax. I've never done it, so I don't really know a whole lot about it, but it is in there. They also have paper quilling and more. So just go scroll your little finger over the top until you get down to the other crafts other than diamond painting. Plus, they also sell the tools. So just make sure y'all look up there at the top of the page, and it'll show you, you know, all the different things that they carry. So, all right. Well, I hope you liked this video. If you have any questions, just leave them down in the comment section. And if you did get this far, drop me a dog emoji down in the bottom. So, and that way I'll know that you were here and you watched. So, all right. Well, I appreciate you all taking the time out to watch my video. And until my next one, I will see you all later. Bye, y'all.